Hi guys, welcome to Creative Crush. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your HTML files into the web without any domains or without paying anything to any server or website. So when you're in your Google Drive, click on the new option and click on the more and the sites, Google Sites. So the sites is used to create HTML documents. It's actually an app in which you can create any kinds of documents including videos, editors, etc. and publish in the web browser. So in this you can even add your HTML codes. So I have created a beautiful header which is going to be like this, and it contains home, our products, user guides. It's my web. I have given the link in the description how to create this also. So first in the Chrome, in the slides, we are going to delete this header. After that, first let us enter our site name as Creative Krish. You can give any desired name. Okay, so once this is done, we are going to click on the embed option over here. Click on this embed code, and the HTML codes whichever we are going to type will go here. So this is the code. Let me copy all, and here I'm going to paste it. You can't add images in this as it's the location from your system, but this is in the drive of your uh, Google Drive. So now click on this next option, and then the embed code. This is the result. You can edit the code by clicking this option if you feel something's wrong, but this size does not matter as it's going to come in this large screen. Click on this insert option. So now the code is inserted, but it's inserted in a very small place. So extend this till the end of your screens. So now there is equal gap between the two screens now, and this is the basic header which one cannot be deleted, but you can add header if you want. You can even add any logo image over here. And now we have completed this. To publish this, click on this publish option, and the web address as Creative Krish, the name of your website, and then click on the publish option. So you get something like this, and click on the view option. So now your website have been successfully published. So here we have not paid to anyone, or it's totally free. I am giving the link in description to make this beautiful header, the codes. You can see that and learn how to do it, or if you have any codes of your own, you can publish it in this way. After this, I have shown you how to insert even the image. So there's this image. So come on, let's insert this. So go to the sites, in the editor page, click on insert image, click on this upload option. You can also select images from the web by clicking on the other option. So I have the image over here. So this is the image, and I click on the open option. So the image is inserted, but it's down. So how am I going to add it up? So now let me make the size a bit small till the horizontal line. Okay, so now and format this image, this one, and extend the height and the width. So I have made the height to entire thing, and the width also I am extending to the full width. But you can't add any animation in the slides for the image as you don't have that option till now. Or you can create any embedded code for this image. That one I'll teach you in my upcoming videos. So that's all. Now this is done. Click on the publish option, this arrow, and click on this view publish site to see your publish site, and click on the publish settings to change the settings of this. Now click on the publish icon, so it shows the change. Click on got it for the first time. and this shows the previous one and the currently published. So this one was the previous and this is the current one. Click on the publish icon, it shows publishing, and come to this page and reload it. You'll be getting an image, but you're not getting it now as the link has been changed. So click on the arrow and view publish site option. So now we are getting the published site also. So here is we got, so this is in the sites and it's published in the internet. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to open a new tab, pasting this code, and then click on the end icon, and you can see that the web page has been published successfully. It's looking really good, and I have the animation for the header section still. Okay guys, if you have any doubts regarding to this, you can comment below. I'm going to clear it, and if you have any other suggestions in this, you can comment below. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Thank you.